So, you want to get fired? Not just eventually, but within 3 minutes? Perfect. Welcome to the ultimate crash course in career demolition. Let's begin. Step 1. The grand entrance. Forget punctuality. Arrive late, ideally after your Netflix binge ends. Don't just slip in quietly. Ride a skateboard into the meeting room, spill coffee on your boss's desk, and announce, "Traffic was brutal. In my living room." Bonus points for sitting on the table like you own the place. Step 2. Inbox Anarchy. Email is your weapon, and reply all is your best friend. Got embarrassing weekend party pics? Perfect. Send them to the entire company with a dancing GIF for flair. Tag the CEO by mistake to ensure HR has your termination letter ready before lunch. Step 3. Dress for disaster. Business casual? Overrated. Show up in pajamas, beach shorts, or a Halloween costume in April. Sunglasses indoors are a must. If your outfit doesn't scream wardrobe malfunction, you're not trying hard enough. Your goal? Make HR question their life choices. Step 4. Procrastination Olympics. Deadlines? Optional. Reports? Meh. Just say, "I work better under pressure." Then spend the day watching cat videos or Googling how to look busy. Your boss will love the suspense of wondering if you'll ever finish. Spoiler, you won't. Step 5. Brutal honesty. In the team meeting, when your boss pitches their brilliant idea, stand up, grab an imaginary mic, and declare, "Honestly, that idea sucks." Short, sharp, unforgettable. Why bother with diplomacy when unemployment insurance is calling? Feeling ambitious? Combine all 5 in one glorious performance. Skate in late, spam reply all with your selfies, rock a clown costume, binge YouTube during work hours, and roast your boss's idea. All before noon. Achievement unlocked. Fired in 3 minutes. Security will escort you to your new office. Want to keep your job? Do the opposite. Show up on time. Send professional emails. Dress like a grown-up. Meet deadlines, and give respectful feedback. Revolutionary. I know. Enjoyed this disaster guide? Subscribe for more how not to lessons. Drop your worst office horror story in the comments. I'll read the funniest one next time. I'm Sam, ruining careers so you don't have to. See you at the next catastrophe.